Hi guys, got a minute? I'm Maria, and welcome. Whether you're back for another visit or this is your first time at Nonna's house, today I'm sharing a super easy recipe for healthy banana oatmeal muffins. They're naturally sweet, packed with flavor, and perfect for a quick breakfast or a snack. So let's get started. You'll need rolled oats, whole wheat flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, honey, bananas, sea salt, vanilla, baking soda, eggs, milk, and olive oil. Feel free to mix in some chocolate chips and chopped walnuts for extra flavor, totally optional. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Spray your muffin tin with a bit of oil or use muffin liners and set it aside. This will make sure your muffins don't stick and come up perfectly every time. Next, in a medium bowl, combine your dry ingredients: whole wheat flour, oats, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. You can also use all-purpose flour or even gluten-free flour if you prefer. Give it a good whisk and then set it aside for now. Now in a large bowl, mash your ripe bananas with a fork. I like to use organic bananas. They're very sweet, healthy, and packed with nutrients. Use bananas that are very ripe with lots of brown spots. Don't throw them away. Let the mashed bananas sit for a few minutes to really bring out their flavor. Then add your eggs, honey or maple syrup, olive oil, milk, and vanilla extract. If you want to make sure these muffins are vegan or allergy-friendly, you can swap the eggs for flax eggs, use plant-based milk, and use maple syrup instead of honey. Here I'm showing a handheld mixer to combine everything, but you don't have to. You can mix by hand if you prefer. I actually find the muffins taste even better that way, and the banana flavor really shines through. Once your wet ingredients are combined, you're ready to add the dry ingredients. Now gently add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Mix just until everything is combined. Don't overmix or your muffins might turn out dense. If you like, fold in chocolate chips or chopped walnuts here for some extra flavor and texture. Divide the batter evenly into your prepared muffin cups. This recipe makes 12 muffins. You can sprinkle a few extra oats or a little cinnamon on top for a nice touch. Bake in your preheated oven for 17 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Mine usually take around 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them towards the end so they don't overbake. Once baked, take the muffins out of the oven and let them cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack. This helps them firm up and cool evenly. And there you have it. Perfectly moist, flavorful banana oat muffins. They're great on their own with a little nut butter or even a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. Don't forget, chocolate chips or nuts make them extra special. These muffins are one of my favorite quick breakfasts or snacks. They're healthy, full of natural banana goodness, and easy to make, and absolutely delicious.
So good.
As always, the full recipe is in the description box below. Thank you, I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.